Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to extend a song on the SUNO mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the SUNO app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the three straight line icon at the bottom. Tap on My Songs or Library section. Look for the song you want to make longer and tap on it to open it. Tap on the three dots. You will see options below like edit, share or extend. Tap on the extend button. This tells Suno to add more music or lyrics after the current ending. The app may ask you, do you want it to continue the same theme or add something new? Choose what fits your song. Suno will then generate an extended version automatically. Now wait a few seconds while Suno works its magic. Once it's done, tap play to listen to the longer version. It might have new lyrics or extra words or a second verse, all keeping in the same style and feel. If you like it, tap save or add to my songs. If you want a different extension, just tap regenerate and Suno will try again with a new twist. And that's it. You just extended your song on the SUNO mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.